Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Power Ministry's recommendations for fly ash utilization. Jaypal South Asia inks agreement with REC to rank discoms. Torrent to acquire wind power assets from CESC Limited. Coming to the details. Union Ministry of Power and New and Renewable Energy Sri R.K. Singh took a meeting today to review the status of fly ash transportation to the end users and the fly ash utilization. Following recommendations were made to power plants. The power plant shall provide the fly ash to end users through a transparent bidding process only. Leftover fly ash after bidding shall be given at free of cost on first come first served basis. The transportation cost wherever required to be borne as per the provisions of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Notification by the power plant shall be discovered on competitive bidding basis only. No delay or gap in finalizing the transportation agencies. The end user shall be obligated to source the fly ash from the nearest thermal power plants to reduce the cost of fly ash transportation. The end users who offer the highest price per fly ash and seek minimum support for transportation cost will be offered the same fly ash on priority. The power plants may offer fly ash subject to their technical restrictions such as all precautions required for dike stability and safety, etc. The power plants having lower ash utilization shall make all efforts to increase the fly ash utilization. REC Limited and the Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab South Asia entered into a data sharing agreement. As per the agreement, REC shares data with Jaypal to create an annual data-based assessment of 79 public and private power distribution companies across the country. REC and Jaypal South Asia will collaborate to leverage existing data on discoms services to diagnose trends and identify gaps in the quality of power supply. These datasets will be used to create a consumer service index that will rank companies based on the dimensions of service delivery, supply hours, grievance redressal system, and billing details and timelines among others. REC and Jaypal South Asia will address the challenges faced by discoms that emerge from this early yearly assessment as well as pilot and test potential solutions using randomized evaluations. Jaypal South Asia will also conduct scoping studies to evaluate the effectiveness of innovative solutions like smart metering for more accurate and transparent billing systems as well as other programs undertaken by REC. The partnership will result in improvement of consumer service delivery and ensure reliable electric supply to consumers. Jaypal South Asia will also provide REC Limited with technical research support and capacity building on data collection and usage. The annual ranking report of discoms will be available to the public, creating pathways for greater accountability in the provision of electricity across states. Torrent Power has agreed to acquire certain wind power plants from CESC of RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. Acquisitions has 156 megawatt wind power plants spread across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh valued at 790 crore rupees. The projects have a long-term power purchase agreements with three state discoms for 25 years with weighted average tariff of 4 rupees 68 paisa per unit. With this deal, Torrent's total generation capacity including the under development projects will reach 4.9 gigawatt with a renewable portfolio of over 1.8 gigawatt. Additional news today. Central Commission for Air Quality Management directed all the 11 thermal power plants near Delhi to co-fire biomass pellets with coal to address the issue of stubble burning and reduce air pollution. Adani Electricity Mumbai ties up with e-mobility service provider Yulu for charging and swapping batteries. Greenko has inked the climate pledge and joined more than 200 companies with aim of net zero carbon emissions. KEC bags 1157 crore rupees orders across power and infrastructure segments. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 230.12 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 3 rupees 37 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 52 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 8 rupees 23 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 72 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 73 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.